Dear students, today I am going to recite the poem My Mother at 66. Though I explained this poem in the Google Meet classes, but today I have to revise the chapters and poems that are prescribed for your first monthly exam. So today I am going to explain the poem My Mother at 66. This poem has been composed by the poetess Kamla Das. If you try to understand the explanation given by me, I think you will have to face any type of difficulty. So I advise you to listen to me carefully the explanation of this poem. First of all, you have to take your textbook because literature is always taught by textbooks. First of all, I am going to recite this poem. Please pay attention. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. Doze, open-mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport's security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her when pale as a late winter's moon and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. But all I said was, "See you soon, Amma." All I did was smile and smile and smile. In this poem, the poetess has described a pitiful condition of her mother. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning. Last Friday, when she was going to Cochin from her parents' home, I saw my mother beside me. The poetess of this poem saw her mother as she was sitting near her. Doors open-mouthed, she saw that her mother was dozing, was feeling sleepy, and her mouth was opened, her face ashes like that of a corpse. She also saw that her mother's face looked like a ass and a dead body, and realized with pain, and she felt some type of pain after seeing her, and felt that she was as old as she looked. Really, the poetess of this poem felt that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away. She left such type of thought and looked out at young trees sprinting. At that time, she was feeling some giddy, feeling some unhappiness, so she tried out to look outside of the window, and she saw some trees. Those were sprinting. the merry children spilling out of their homes. She also saw that the children were playing outside their homes, but after the airport security check, standing a few yards, she also saw that both of them had to pass from airport security check. So they had to stay for some time there. I looked again at her when pale. After airport security check, when the poetess see her mother again, she looked pale just like us, as a late winter's moon, and felt that old familiar ache. Seeing the condition of her mother, she felt some giddiness, or she felt her mother like a late winter's moon, and felt that old familiar ache. She remembered old time of her fear and pain. She thought her childhood's fear were revived again, but she showed some patience. All I said was, "See, you see, Amma." As we know, she was hopeful. So she said, addressing her mother as a Amma, she said she would see her again. And all I did was smile and smile and smile. She could do nothing, but he remained smiling all the time while she was leaving her mother. Now, dear students, I am going to explain this poem in Hindi also, so please listen to me. Driving from my parents' home to Kochi last Friday morning, पिछले शुक्रवार को सुबह अपने माता पिता के घर से कोचीन जाते समय I saw my mother beside me. मेरे पास मेरी माँ बैठी हुई थी, मैंने उनको देखा. डोज ओपन माउथड, उनको नींद आ रही थी, उनका मुंह खुला हुआ था. हर फेस आसन लाइक दैट ऑफ ए कॉर्प्स, और उनका चेहरा एक डेड बॉडी, मुर्दे यानी शव की तरह से लग रहा था. एंड रियलाइज्ड विद पेन, और उससे ऐसा लग रहा था कि उनको दर्द महसूस हो रहा हो. उनकी कंडीशन देख करके उन्हें भी कुछ कष्ट हो रहा था. दैट शी वाज एज ओल्ड एज शी लुक्ड, यानी वो जैसी लगती थी उतनी उनकी उम्र थी, उनकी अवस्था थी. बट सून पुट दैट थॉट अवे, लोगों का सोचना होता है कि भाई इनकी तो उम्र बहुत हो गई है, तो वो विचार उन्होंने छोड़ दिया. एंड लुक्ड आउट एट यंग ट्रीज स्प्रिंटिंग, और उन्होंने बाहर खिड़की से उन पेड़ों को चलते हुए द मैरी चिल्ड्रन स्पिलिंग आउट ऑफ देयर होम्स, और जो बच्चे अपने अपने घरों से बाहर खेल रहे थे उनको देखा. बट आफ्टर द एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी चेक स्टैंडिंग ए फ्यू यार्ड्स अवे, लेकिन जो एयरपोर्ट पर चेक किया जाता है, उस चेकिंग के बाद कुछ दूरी पर खड़े होकर के आई लुक्ड अगेन एट हर, पोइटेस कहती है कि हमने अपनी माँ को फिर से दोबारा देखा. व्हेन पेल एज ए लेट विंटर्स मून, यानी उनकी जो हालत थी, उनका रंग हो रहा था, वो पीला पड़ा हुआ था, जैसे कि लेट सर्दियों में जो चंद्रमा निकलता है उसका जो कलर होता है उससे तुलना की गई है. एंड फेल्ट दैट ओल्ड फैमिलियर एक, और उनको वही पुराना जो उनका दर्द था, पेन, वो ताजा हो गया. कौन सा दर्द था? माई चाइल्डहुड फियर, जो बचपन में उनको भय सताता था वही उनको फिर सताने लगा. बट लेकिन ऑल आई सेड वाज सी यू सून अम्मा, मैंने उनको अम्मा संबोधित करते हुए केवल यही कहा. ऑल आई डिड वाज सॉरी कि मैं दोबारा आपसे मिलूंगी, और ये कहते समय ऑल आई डिड वाज स्माइल एंड स्माइल एंड स्माइल, मैं मुस्कुराती रही। दैट्स ऑल। जो हमने रिटन में आपको एमसीक्यूज या समरी या पोइटिक डिवाइसेस लिखाए हैं, वो आपको रिटन मैटर से तैयार करना है। थैंक्स। आई होप यू will have understood the poem that is explained by me. Thank you very much.